Hello viewers, Instagram Music not showing all songs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all open Instagram and then click on profile icon. Now click on three line icon. Go to account center. Now go to sharing across profiles. From here select your Instagram account. Turn off all option. Your Instagram post, your Instagram story, your Instagram reels, turn off all this option. Now go back to main settings, scroll down and go to creator tools and controls. Now click on switch to account type. Now your account switch to personal. Just click on switch to personal account. After your account switch to personal, now check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.